Gatorade or whatever. I thought you were going to get ahead and get all my food, huh?
I'm here running the Hagg Lake 50K Ultramarathon, and it's pretty hard. There's mud everywhere. Oh, I just stepped in a puddle. My shins are just destroyed. I still got like a marathon to go. It's probably going to take me 2 days to finish the race, but I'm going to finish. Yeah. Alright, doing the Hagg Lake 50K. The day started off cold, but soon warmed up. The sun came out. It was really nice. And now, about maybe 12 miles in or so, and starting to rain. Getting a little bit heavier and heavier on the rain. The mud over here is a little bit deeper. I'm in a dry spot right now, but it's not going to last long. My shoes have been almost getting sucked off me at some points, but overall pretty good. I think I'm going to do pretty well on this race, even though I'm really just doing this for a training run. Don't care about my time too much. Started the race about 2 or 3 minutes late because I was daddling around. Ready to catch some more runners here. You can see ahead. And if you can hear that noise, that's my feet getting stuck to the ground. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera, but we have sun showers right now. It's a little sunny. Some rain coming down. It's alright with me. So I had to stop filming for about 5 miles or so because I had a nice spill in the mud. Had about an inch of mud on both my hands. I was holding my goo Octane at the time, and that was not pretty. But stopped at one of the aid stations and dried off my hands some of the drinking water, and then I kind of got dried mud on my hands right now, but it's not too bad. Here we go. We're at 19.78 miles. And so it's a little over 11 miles left. I'm recovering. Shit. Damn it. Well, right now I'm really testing the durability of my camera. Had a nice biff on a pretty steep downhill. Covered my hands in both my hands in complete mud again, along with this camera. Luckily, I think the lens made it through, but the camera itself is just a big muddy thing right now. Weather's been pretty nuts. About a half a mile ago, it was just pouring rain. And now it's sunny and like really windy. Not sure if you can hear the howl, but it's howling through these streets. Hopefully I can just stay on my feet, keep my camera dry, but let's see how we do. So now we got everything out here. It's cold, very windy, raining. Had a small break off the trail, hit it again. Small paved section here. Alright, 24.16. I didn't want to make it easy for you to catch me.
Yeah. You like playing yo-yo with me.
Yeah. I've been running by myself here for a long time, and it seems like I've just cut up to about 4 runners here. It's kind of cool. You know, these last 4 miles or so of the race is really gnarly as far as the mud. It's really the worst on the course. The weather's pretty nice though. Probably like low 40s. A little sprinkle of rain. Pretty sore. Pretty tired. Pretty wet. Other than that, I feel great. Alright. I am at 29.2 miles. Doing alright. Pretty weak, but my feet are still moving. Which is not so bad. I've been running for about 5 hours. So here's one of the ugliest sections of the course. It's just a big mud pit here. Alright, there it is. That's the finish. I'm about a quarter of a mile away. Calves hurt. And my butt hurts. Other than that, I feel great. Probably consumed about 1,100 calories. It's going to take me about 5.5 hours to finish this. It's alright. Okay with that.
$460.